Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. But this is going to be some quick analysis because yesterday we done with our weekly analysis, which you can actually go and check. But I have my people who just need some updates, so I will just do that for them. So don't worry, don't worry. I will just always do this. So yeah, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So we can see that today we don't really have any economic news. Tomorrow we have manufacturing PMI. We will see what will happen, but I don't think that will affect the market that much. But the most important one is going to be on Wednesday. We have interest rates, guys, from Canada. And the other one is going to be service PMI on Thursday, and also the most important one here, US and NFP, and also employment change. Actually, they are both employment change from Canada and US around the same time. So it means you'll just choose which one do you want to trade. At the moment, I think everything's still calm on the market. I don't really see any bigger like move or any change in the market. But if we go just for some quick analysis, for those who maybe did miss my yesterday's video, but I think you can just go there because I think I go deeper into details there. So we are on a dollar index. You can see that the market is trying to do what? To reverse a little bit. So I did this nice resistance so that you understand that the market is actually on a downtrend structure. The market is going down. The market is going down. You can see this. We had a breakout. So now it seems like the market was trying to reverse. So I was expecting maybe the market to reach this level. Or maybe where we are, maybe we might see the market reversing, but it's up to the market. At the moment, it shows us that the dollar is gaining a little bit of the momentum there. But at the end of the day, I'm still very, very, very bullish. Sorry, not bullish. I'm still very bearish on a dollar index. So which means gold and the other ones will be looking for buys there. You see, so that smaller reversal on a dollar index, I think it shows us that against JPY, USD against JPY, it's gaining some momentum. You still remember this area? I pointed out this area that you know what, this is it looks good, and slowly the market is starting to show us that. So which means yeah, we are on the right side of the market. So I'm expecting the market to continue going higher. I'm expecting to see some very nice bullish structures going further. So at the moment, I think it's already confirmed that we are now on this bullish move, even though this it seems to be like not really aggressive, but yeah, this is a very nice bullish move because it's not really moving that crazy. So which means the market might still move quite slower, but at the end of the day, the market will be going up. But what I like here is it was just clear. The market was on that support area. So now we're moving away from that. We're moving away from that support area. So now we are on GBPUSD. GBPUSD on Friday, GBP actually tried to reverse. You can see the market was still going higher, but when we go closer, you can see that the market was trying to reverse. So the thing is, I'm expecting the market to reach this resistance here before we see another push, or I think maybe around this area there's something, but for me that is not really clear. Or if maybe I will be jumping on that, I think I will have to have something like that resistant. Once the market breaks out, I will jump straight to that because I still believe that the market is actually on a very nice bullish move. So I can have something like that and any breakout, because I think this side, it's not really clear if maybe this was a proper resistance or support, but we can see that the market did range. So we don't know if maybe the market will respect this area or that, you see. So the best one is going to be, as the market was creating this resistance, we're going to use that. We're going to use that. And once the market breaks out, then we will be jumping straight to that as a very nice buy. Or maybe the market will end up going even lower. And if it goes lower, very low, I think that will be easier for us because at the moment we already expect the market to reach this level of a support. Previously it was a resistance, then we can actually look for that buy. I hope that makes sense. Now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? For those who wants to be part of the team, guys, those are our prizes, and you still can get some discounts. Talk to me. You can still get some great offer. Just talk to me if you want to be part of the team. So, on gold, what's really happening? The overall structure, you can see that the market is actually going higher or up. So this is what we have at the moment. If I do it like this, you can see that actually we are on a ranging structure. So which means we can buy, especially around the support area. So now the market is just playing around the same level. So let's go closer. So this area, I think last week we had a very quick buy. I think I told them to scalp. So yeah, I'm expecting to see a very proper scalping around this level. But I still believe that you see this area of a horizontal support there. I think it's a very stronger one that can give us a proper buy. Around this area, I think it's just quick scalping and stuff, but this area to me, it's a solid one. I'm expecting to see some very nice bullish reversal once the market reaches this area. Or maybe the market might end up breaking out of that resistance. Then we can still look for a buy because the overall structure is a proper bullish structure. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. US30, it's struggling to break our resistance, but already we broke out of that stronger resistance. We did a breakout. You can see here, we have this slow moving uptrend, I mean on the bottom side, but when we talk about this, we're actually aggressive. But on top there, you can see that the market is already broke out, but for us to jump in there, I think the market has to break that resistance on top so that we can jump on that buy. Let's go closer. Let's go closer. This is what we have. If the market breaks this, it's when I will be looking for that buy, or maybe around this level, it's where I will also look for that buy. But remember, this is a very highest area where the market might find its resistance. We saw some resistance here, so there is a possibility that maybe the market might reverse. But the thing is, remember, we have interest cards coming this month, and this Friday we have NFP, so things might change. Things might change. But what I like is, even though we have NFP, I think it's concluded that we're gonna have some rate cuts. Let's hope that on Friday we don't really get some crazy numbers, but we'll just have to wait and see. So at the moment, we're just waiting for the market here to break out. So which means we can't just take some unnecessary trades. We have to wait for the market to break out or maybe to reverse before we take some trades. Sometimes you just need to relax, wait. Don't just try to trade unnecessarily. Trading like non-stop, you end up taking some wrong trades. Here and there, you can take the right ones, but at the end of the day, you don't really make anything. You make profit, you lose it after, you make profit. So try to keep whatever that you make. So this is what is the structure that we have coming from Nasdaq. You can see, coming from a downtrend structure, aggressive one, by the way. So after that, the market did what? The market broke out. So now we expect the market to do what? To actually continue going higher. But we can easily see that the market has been struggling to break out of this area. So yeah, we have to be extra careful around this area. But the overall structure here, I'm expecting to see some proper moves. I'm expecting to see some very nice moves. But when we check, it seems like we still have something like that. I think the market might be trying to show us something. Maybe the market wants to continue going down. It's up to the market. At the moment, we don't really have anything to do. But I believe that we still actually have some very nice bullish moves coming. But this is actually our resistance that we can say this is the stronger one, especially if we draw this resistance line like that. If the market breaks out of that, yeah, we can say also this. Once the market breaks out of that, we'll say now it's time for the market to actually fly. I hope you understand that. But if maybe the market is still playing, I think the market will be just playing around these levels. But I'm expecting to see some very nice reversals. I also saw Nvidia trying to reverse a little bit, but we can see that it's not really enough. But maybe this week is going to be much better. S&P 500 not really much here. We can see that the market is actually on this resistance. You see that the market is actually on this resistance. We don't know if maybe the market will be breaking out. I'm expecting that. I'm expecting the market to break out. But at the moment, let's just wait and see. Don't just get in here because the market might just consolidate. Already, the market is consolidating. I think maybe since last week or since last week. Let's check. Let's check. Since 29 August. Let's see. I think it's going to be 29, not 29, 19 August. Okay, last week. Then this is 2 weeks, pure 2 weeks. You see that? So you can see that this is just a consolidation. And mostly when the market consolidate, it's like the market is still thinking which direction to take, or should we break this resistance or this support? Should we go down or up? All those things, you see. So this move is different from that. The market here knew where it was going because you can see that the market was just selling. Here the market is just all over the place, so which means it will be up to the market whether to break this resistance or the support. But on my view here, I think a resistance, actually, it's going to be the one which is going to be broken out as things are looking good for the stock market. So I'm expecting to see that nice bullish move. So I'm still very, very bullish. The same way or the same as on Nasdaq and also US30. So Nvidia, we can easily see that Nvidia is also trying to reverse. We saw that last week the market was just playing around this level, so maybe it will be going up. But I think this resistance is going to be problem to break, but I think one way or another the market will end up breaking out of that. I'm still very bullish, or maybe the market will just play around these levels, but at the end of the day I think we're going to break out of that resistance, you see. So let's push to the next one, which is actually US oil. We smashed this one last week. For those who wants to be part of the team, guys, there actually it's our VIP packages. And as you watch this, if you want to be part of the team, talk to me and say, Kenzo, I saw that you are giving 50%. I'm giving 50% off. Talk to me there. If you're watching this, talk to me and say, Kenzo, I want my 50% off and I want to join. So talk to me. I will be giving you some very good stuff. So on US oil, I think it's quite straightforward, way too clean. I think it's straightforward. You can see the market reached our target, very nice. And I'm still expecting maybe the market can even reach this level. So the reason we did not really place our take profit here, sometimes the market doesn't really reach these areas, and don't place your TP exactly on the support or resistance. The market can reverse before that, you see. So here we were able to smash that. I think it's enough. Let me remove that. We did smash that. So now we're just waiting. We're just waiting for the market to touch this, or maybe the market to go towards the resistance before we look for a sell, or maybe the market might break out. So at the moment, we just have to wait for the market because we can't just decide before the market reaches that level, you see. So we know very well. But as we are on a downtrend, I'm expecting a continuation of this sell structure. Simple as that. So anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Bye.